All you have to do is ask 3 questions. Do 5 minutes of work and you can collect your first earnings. This is not an affiliate marketing strategy, and there is no need for a social media account with thousands of followers. You can also apply this strategy to make money online even if you have $0 in your bank account. As usual, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to make money online using this method. I will also share some exclusive tips and tricks that will allow you to double up your earnings and turn this strategy into a passive income stream. Other than that, I will show you some payment and earning proofs along the way, so keep watching until the end to learn everything you need. This is probably one of the easiest strategies for beginners to start making money online. You actually can start working today and get your first payment tomorrow. That sounds cool, right? Before we continue, if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We spend a lot of time looking for the best strategies that you can use to start making money online. If you enjoy these topics, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It means the world to us. Alright, let's jump straight to the tutorial so I can show you how to use this strategy to generate some passive revenue. The website we are using today is called SERPclicks.com, which is an agency that helps websites improve their Google search engine results. Let's not get too much into details. I know some of you are not familiar with SEO, which is okay. To make it simple, let me give you an example. When you Google something, you will get a long list of results. People tend to click on the first 3 websites and ignore the rest. So, the higher is your website in search engine results, the more visitors your website will get. Just ask yourself, how many times have you ever gone to that second or third page? For most of you, the answer is either rarely or never. Website owners invest a big part of the marketing budget in search engine optimization every day. You don't want to appear on the 3rd or 4th page of the search engine results. Nobody will find you, and we all know that the essence of any website is the traffic it gets. This is the main objective of platforms such as SERPclicks. This tool helps you climb the search engine results and get to the top 3 positions, which in reality means thousands or even millions of visitors every month, especially if you are targeting a popular keyword. SERPclicks allows you to buy targeted website traffic from real human clickers with high-quality IP addresses. The platform has over 100,000 registered clickers, and you can target any country or language. As I said earlier, this has nothing to do with the affiliate marketing. So we won't be promoting this service to anyone whatsoever. We will follow a more profitable method. Let's first scroll down to explore a great tool that the website offers for free. Just to let you know, this website charges you for the number of visitors it sends to your website. This type of high-quality organic traffic tells Google that your site is relevant and should be positioned at the top of the search engine results. You can calculate the cost of the campaign right here. Just select the monthly searches for the target keyword, the website's current ranking, and targeted position. The tool will tell you how many clicks you need and the amount you should pay to get to your targeted position. You can double up the price and offer this service to your clients. No need to invest any money up front. Once your customer places the order, you can come here and purchase the service and walk away with a great profit. So simple. You don't have to do the hard work. You are a middleman here. You will simply ask the customer 3 questions. First, what's the current position in search engine results? Then, how many people search their targeted keyword per month? And finally, the search result position they are targeting. Then come over to the calculation tool. See how much the platform would charge. Add in your profit margin and then send a code to your customer. I would advise you at first to ask for a small profit margin. Once you get the reviews and social proof, you can charge for a higher price. Customers will always return to you, as this is a service that websites tend to buy regularly. But the question you all have now is, how to get orders? No worries, I will share with you 2 powerful websites where you can get tons of orders every day. The first one is Fiverr.com, which is one of the largest service marketplaces on the internet. You can list down your service on the platform and get orders from customers who are looking for a search engine optimization expert to improve their search engine ranking. This is an example of someone who is offering a similar service. You can see that this person is selling this service on the platform and has already received more than 1,400 reviews. The cheapest package costs $10. We are looking at a profit of $1,400. But if we consider the sellers who didn't leave a review, we are looking at a great passive method to make money online. You can see that there are many orders in the queue, which tells us how popular the service is. So, what are you waiting for? Set up your gig now and start making money. The second platform that you can consider to get orders is SEOclerk.com or SEOclerk.com. This is the largest SEO marketplace on the internet. This platform is the first portal for those looking for ways to improve the SEO performance of their websites. The competition is stronger here as many people are offering similar services. But it's important to have your service listed here as well. Nothing much to lose as you don't have to pay anything until you receive your first order. Once you begin receiving orders, you can hire someone to help you operate the business. And that's how passive income streams are born. Then you can use one of the other strategies we share on this channel and make more money online. And that's it for today. As always, if you enjoy this content and you'd like to see more, make sure to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to keep updated with all my future uploads, then click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.